Hi everybody. Welcome to day 28 of a 30-day yoga challenge. I'm your yogi, Ari. And today, we're going to learn to trust in HDMI cables. Okay. Hi everybody. Welcome to Yoga with Ari. I'm Yogi Ari. Let's get started. You guys, we're 28 days in. I doubt anyone is joining in for the first day today. But if you are, you're going to be behind. So look at your neighbor, watch what they're doing, and try to stay the fuck up with us. Because we're on a high level. We're nearing enlightenment now. And it's not time to fuck around anymore, everybody. The light's on? Is it recording? Yeah, it's not time to fuck around anymore. We're fucking two fucking shakes of a stick away from fucking enlightenment. You want to talk to Buddha? You want to talk to him? He's pretty fucking boring. But it's interesting to be one of the few people. It's kind of like walking on the moon. You know, where you're like, look, not much is going on up here. I'll be honest with you. If I walked on the moon, I'd be like, hey, is there a party? And they'd be like, no, it's just you. And you're just fucking, Skyping in to Houston, Texas. And you're like, oh, all right. And then you just walk around for a while. You're like, moon kind of sucks. So that's what talking to Buddha's like. That's what enlightenment's like. But you just fucking do it. Let's shake it out a little bit. Let's roll the shoulders. Let's get started while we fucking rant on how boring the moon was. Okay, we're gonna touch our toes again. Are you guys working out? I told you, these are little things you can do. Like all day long, just do little things like this, Just stretch that shit out a little bit. Go to the other ankle. Oh, by the way, here's another thing you can do. Get up, sorry. Can you get a full angle? And this also works for, what's that fucking disease where your fucking foot, turn your foot in a little bit and then just, I guess let's start. Let's start, guys. We're doing yoga. Let's start. You got a wall? Can you do this without a wall? I guess you could do it without a wall, but do it with a wall. All right, see this? Turn that back foot in, front leg straight. What is that fucking disease? It hurts your soles, where this part of your fucking foot hurts every morning. You turn your foot in a little bit, not 45 degrees, just like 15 degrees. And then you just lean forward. And you feel a stretching in your calf. Do those while you're talking to a friend about their dumb fucking life. Oh, what'd you do, honey? What'd you do for coronavirus today? Oh, you had a fun Skype call with your mom and her friends. That sounds like what you talk about, knitting? Oh, wow, that's amazing. And switch. Okay, I'm not bored. No, I'm not bored at all. Ooh, that's actually really tight in there. Oh. Okay. Let's start with this, guys. I fucking hate this one, and so do you, but let's just start with it. We're not doing the breathe. I'll do it. Okay, and we're starting. Now remember, this breathing is for fucking life, okay? You're supposed to breathe. I keep forgetting to do this every fucking class. You're supposed to breathe. I don't know how to fucking do it. It's like it's always in through the nose, out through the mouth. But I don't know when to do it. I think when you switch positions, you're like, and breathe it out as you come to something. Those fucking phony yogi teachers, they know all about breathing. I know all about improvement. Okay, we're done with that shit. Fucking hocus pocus. Is that hitting? Yeah, whatever. Okay, here we go. Hands up. Reach up as high as you can go here. Reach up. Ignore the fucking shaking. For sure this is hitting against here. Okay, let's do it like that maybe. Okay, we're gonna reach all the way over. Feet shoulder width apart. Reach all the way over to the left. But fucking force that hand up and high. Okay, it's not just like this. It's really up high. And then keep it straight, and then just come over to the right. Ow. Hold it there. Head back, not forward like I do. Back like I do. 3, lock your knees. Lock your legs. Make a fucking muscle with this fucking part of your leg. Hold it there for 3, 2, one, and fuck it. Shit, I hate that already. I'm already fucking passing out. Other side, to the right. And back. Lock those knees. Lock the fucking legs. Fuck. 3. Oh yeah, breathe. 2, 1. Fuck it. Backwards. I know I hate this one. I know you do too. We gotta do it. Oh yeah, this is improvement. Oh, we're working on our bodies. It's definitely better than getting fat, right? 3, 2, 1. Fuck it. Ow. Ow. And then forward. Oh yeah, feet shoulder width apart still. Slowly come forward all the way over. I'll come into frame. Lock the knees. And then at some point, you're gonna have to bend the knees. Bend the knees. Come all the way down. And then step on the back of your fucking hands. This is the one I call shitting in a fucking... a Frenchman shitting in a fucking foreigner's face, right? So we're coming all the way over. Put the forearms on the back of the heels. And then just push your butt up as your head goes down. Try to keep your balance if you can. It should be way easier than I'm making it look. And then just spray diarrhea in a fucking dude's face. He's like, well, I love a coffee shop in France. Nah, you don't, dude. We don't take the foreigners out here very kindly. And then just spray diarrhea. Spray diarrhea. Lift that butt up and spray that diarrhea in his fucking pinko American face. Oh, shit, I've already got a head rush. What are we at, like 20 minutes? Okay, like 5. Let's get tiptoes. We're gonna go down to goddess pose. Okay, we're gonna go up, tiptoes, then down to the goddess pose. Wait, oh yeah, we gotta go out. No, it's not tiptoes, my bad on that. Okay, hands out. It's goddess pose because women serve men. So you have a tray in this hand, tray on this hand, and then you just slowly go down. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1, and back up. Reach for the glass ceiling. Can't get through the glass ceiling, but you can get to the glass. Elizabeth Warren, to the glass ceiling. Not through it, Liz, but to it. And then back down, serving drinks for men who can run for office. Like Joe Biden. We don't want a woman in office. We want a man who has committed sexual assault, almost definitely, in office. And back up to the glass ceiling. Don't push through and go down. Serve men. And then 3, 2, 1, and back up. Ow. That shouldn't hurt here, but it does. Okay. Let's go down to la mesa. The table. La mesa. That's all I remember from my fucking Spanish from 2 weeks in goddamn Medellin. They say you can say Medellin or Medellin. Honestly, they say both are fine. And I choose to say Medellin because it's more pompous. So in Medellin, I took Spanish for 2 fucking weeks. And I learned a lot. La mesa, I knew how to fucking use male or female. I think it's female for la mesa, but I don't know. Oh yeah, el meso, la mesa. There is no la mesa. Okay. Scared cat, dead cat. Scared cat, dead cat. If you know what dead cat is, imagine like a post here into the wall and a post here into the wall. It's in a fucking, this is, scared, you know, Chinese person coming, and then dead, skinned in the wall of a fucking Chinese butcher shop in Chinatown. You can say that's racist. Go to Chinatown first, then come back to me and apologize. Okay, here we go. Let's start with one of these. Let's start with these, the swim throughs, okay? We're just gonna work on our back. Just swim through it, hold on. Go as far as you can. It's all back, it's all back. It's all in the back. 3, 2, 1, and turn. Other hand, and swim through. We're trying to let fucking, like, you know what I mean? Some joke there. Swim through. Imagine you're trying to get like your buddy. He doesn't see you're coming. You want to fucking goose his balls. You want to go underneath, reach up, tickle those balls. Get the back stretch. 3, 2, 1, and fuck it. Okay. Tabletop. So downward, facing dog. See, right here is a good stretch for fucking touching your toes. For legit, for real. You feel it right in there? I do. Okay, left, right, left, right. Do a little cardio here. Left foot up to the right. Stretch it out to the right. And then we're going to come through and then go back again. Come through and then right back again. And to the right. Through, back again. One more time. Through, back again. Now we're going to go on the outside. 1, 2, 3. And then down to the inside. 1, 2, 3. And other foot. Okay, ready? Up and over. Basing on the left foot. Moving over to the right. And through. 2, 3. And on the outside. 1, 2, 3. And on the inside. 1, 2, 3. Take a break. Fix your fucking gear. Fuck. Fuck. Why am I doing this with this? It's ridiculous. Okay. Tabletop again. I'm sorry. Downward facing dog again. Really get the fucking head down. Okay? Now we're going to take a big step through with the right. Just a big step through up in between your hands. Ready? And step through all the way up. Oh, nice one, Ari. Go to fucking smash the baby. We take the baby. I don't want to raise this. Foot off the ground. Smash the baby. And back down. Switch. Left leg. Big fucking step through. Smash the baby. Smash it. Back again. Right leg. Smash the baby. Hold it there. Hold it there. She's like, please don't smash my baby. Please don't smash my baby. I was like, it's going to happen. I'm like, please, can I have someone else tell you why not? Sure, but it's happening. And then smash the baby. Back. Left leg. Hands up. Get ready. And smash the baby. Knee on the ground. Casual on the front. Bring the right foot in. Ow. Try to get your back straight up. Ooh. Is this hitting? It is. Okay. Oops. Okay. And then hit foot up. That's it. Pull it in. We're stretching out here. Pull it in. For 3. Head back. Okay, keep it. 2, 1, and down. Ready? Other leg. Push this back. Shift right foot in. Knee down. Casual on the front. Business in the back. Hold it there. Keep stretching. Okay, put it down, then make your left foot up to meet your right foot. And slowly rise up. Feet on your ankles, hands on your ankles. Slowly, slowly rise up. Lock your knees when you can. And then just... sunshine. That's no good at all. Okay. Let's work on the fucking knees a little bit. Feet wide, wide apart. We're doing this. We did it yesterday. And down. Bend to the waist. And over and down. Ooh, I'm getting pretty far. Eventually put your hands on the ground. Keep it there. We're going to go to the right. And we're going to go to the left. Walk it over to the right. Ooh, that's good. Ow. And then over to the left. Oh. And then back to the middle. Ready? And then we're slowly bringing it up. Head up. Guys, we've got like fucking 2 days left after this. Wow. Stretching, not popping. Come on, Ari. Follow your advice. All right. Let's do the fucking one that I'm good at that nobody else is. You gotta motivate yourself. If you have a move that you're fucking exceptional at, pretend that is the move that everyone should be doing. That's what everyone does in life. You take what you do well and you make everyone else do it. Did I tell you guys about this place? Did I ever tell you about this? It's fucking magical. It was fucking magical. I'll tell you about it on my Patreon if you want. I don't like to talk about real places too publicly. I don't like the word getting out. Okay. Right arm, swing under the left arm. In slow motion, it'll look like this. Underneath, but you gotta swing fast, and then you'll come up and over. A lot of people can just get to there. That's okay. You suck. Okay? A lot of people are gonna tell you, don't worry, don't push yourself. That's not Yogi Ari. Yogi Ari says push yourself, do it right. Join in with us. Feel bad that you're not as good as me. And here we go. A lot of these fat fucks can touch their toes. It's really bothering me. Ready? And go. If you can't get here, whatever. Just try it. Try to be as good as me. Now, the right leg is going to come over the left leg, and we're going to slowly bend down and then go back up. But you got to try to fucking balance yourself. You really got to try to balance yourself. And here we go. Bend your knees a little bit. Bend your right knee a little bit. Right leg over the left and back again. Again, if you can only do it there, it's okay. You suck. And then over. Try to move the knee straight. Try to keep the back up. And we're going down. Here we go. And we're down for 3, 2. Oh yeah, I breathed that time. 1 and back up. Oh yeah. Okay. Left arm underneath the right arm. Here we go. Oh, did I not do it right? No, I did it right. I always do it right. Yogi Ari, enlightened as fuck. Okay. Left leg over the right leg. Here we go. Do it with me, you guys. Come back and around. Left knee forward, back straight up, and we're going down. For 3, balance it. 2, try to keep it there as long as you can. 1, just keep it going there. Keep it going. You've all made it to the 3. Now you're just fucking setting records. And before you fall, make yourself feel like a winner, and slowly back up. Wow. Boom. Okay, fuck, I got a shower. I can smell my fucking pits. Okay. Let's go to the ground. Let's go to the ground. You just come to my attention. La la la. Okay. And my stomach is getting flabby. So let's work the stomach a little bit, you guys. I want you to remember all these moves because you're going to need to know them in a couple days once you've reached enlightenment. Today's day 28. We're almost fucking there. Bring your knees in to your chest. Keep your ankles down. Keep your knees in here. Go like this if you can. If you're going to go like this, it's fine. If you can't, no, you got to do something. Okay. We're going opposite directions. Left leg out, right leg come into the underarm. So, can you see me from that angle? Watch this. I'm not keeping my right leg here. I'm shifting it out. So it's really in my underarm. And then shifting different directions. Push that left leg out as far as you can. The right leg down and in. Ow. And then switch. Bring it together. Right leg out. Left leg towards the outside and into your underarm. Use your fucking hands to bring it in there. Shift different directions. 3, 2, 1, and fuck it. Ow. Okay. I'm gonna hate this part. But we gotta do it. We're making a tabletop. A second tabletop with our legs. This straight up. Okay. You can put your hands over here if you want. Put your hands here. Maybe let's put them here. Let's put them on the mat. Okay. All we're doing is putting it out, but try to keep it fucking parallel. Out, slowly, and then back in, slowly. Oh, that's not parallel at all. Out, slowly. Oh, all the way out if you can, and then back in. Oh, these fucking kill. It's like crunches. And I know the problem is, it's going to hurt way worse when I stop doing it. It's like picking a zit. You ever try to pick a zit in high school or whatever? if you don't get it, if you don't pop it, you know it's gonna hurt so bad. So you get to the point where your fingers are tiring out, and you're like, this, like, I haven't seen an explosion under the mirror yet, and I gotta stop. My fingers are tiring out, but you know if you do, it's gonna kill. And then you eventually like, fuck it, I give up. You make one last hard push to pop the zit, doesn't do it, and you just go, ow, and it fucking kills. Keep doing it, guys. Stay with me. If you gotta take a break, jump back and join me, fucking do that. But don't quit forever. It's like Yom Kippur. If you gotta break your fast, doesn't mean your fast is over forever. It means eat a fucking half an apple and then go right back to fasting. Thank you, whatever rabbi fucking told me that. I have not used that information in 28 years. Thank you for teaching me that though, so I can use it in a fucking yoga class. 2 more. It's starting to hurt. Oh my god, it's starting to hurt. Oh fuck. 1. Oh my god, it's starting to hurt so bad. Oh shit. Oh, why did I do this class? I wish I could have quit 28 days ago. I would have just watched more TV. And relax. Fuck. Oh. Okay. Criminy. Oh. Let's make a bridge. What are we at? 21. Not bad. Let's make a bridge, you guys. You're going to use your head for this. Hands up and over. This will be good for your back, your lower back, which I need help with to make it through 2 more days after this. Really just 1 full day. And then day 30, enlightenment. All right, here we go. You're going to arch the back of your head. You can get it up and you're just going to try to hold. Actually, you know what? Let's build up to that. Put your hands out like this. We're just going to lift. We talked about this. Imagine an incredibly long-thighed woman, and you have to try to fuck her, but she won't do the thing where she spreads out. Oh, yeah, look, if you have incredibly long thighs, you want to ride a dude, don't ride him like this. Ride him like that. Get it down. Figure it out. But this chick is fucking selfish in bed. She's just like, come to me, come to me. So we are. Where there's a will, there's some sex. And just go up and fuck it. Back down. Up, hold it, stretch, and back down. Up, hold it. Oh, really good stretching here. And back down. Up, hold it. You're gonna come, stop moving. I'm gonna come, and then really quick, now you're coming. Okay. That's good for my back. And then back down. Now, hands up and over. We're making a bridge. I don't know how to do this. I'll tell you right now, I'm not really fully confident on this. So do the fucking best you can and make it look legit. I think you gotta go up in the top of your head. Oh yeah, that's it. And really kind of make a bridge. Imagine fucking Mexicans trying to get into the country underneath you. And listen, you care. You care about immigration. You're not fucking one of these people who like, I hate Mexicans. You love Mexicans. So build them a bridge. Build them a bridge that they can tunnel under your fucking ass into freedom, into safety, into the American dream. That's what this yogi is all about. This yogi is about the American dream. And I want you to lift that fucking flabby ass and work on it until you can smuggle Mexicans into this country. That's the kind of yoga that I teach. And down. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, let's do a sit-up. Hands up. They do this when in Bikram yoga all the time. Just like that. Oh. Nope, we're not touching the toes yet. Okay. You guys want to do the pretzel? There was some other move that I haven't done in a long time that I kind of fucking forgot about. I don't know what it is. It was something on the feet or the ground. One of those two. Great, Ari. Way to teach yoga class. All right. Foot behind you. Should we do both feet? Let's combine. Let's do both feet at once. Behind you. You're sitting in between your ankles. Okay? Not on top of them, but in between. If you got to go halfway on this. This one legitimately could pop out your knee. It's dangerous. It's the most dangerous yoga move in the book. And then you're watching a master do it. So keep in mind, this is like watching fucking Free Solo climb the fucking mountain that he climbed. You know? Whatever it was called. The one at Disneyland. And then just like lean back. Oh. Yeah, so you're gonna get some stretching in your broken ankle that never fully healed. Thank you, whoever did the surgery on that. Canadian doctors. It's cheap, but not quality. You're gonna feel some stretching in your back and your thighs, and you're gonna feel some almost popping in your left knee. At this time, you want to stretch your hands out. Up and high. Get them up and high. Okay, hold it. Hold it. Not the Erewhon. What the fuck was the name of that fucking mountain in Disneyland that was also in Zermatt in Switzerland? Matterhorn. That's the one that Free Willy climbed. Okay, and then back up. Use that rope. Use that rope. The Free Solo guy was too much of a coward to use the rope, but not us. Not us. We know the power of the fucking rope. Okay, thank you. Mime school. Never took it. Okay. Right leg forward, left leg back. Left leg at 45-degree angle. Right leg forward. All we're doing is coming down and in, just on the inside of the thigh and the right, as we're shifting forward, okay? This is like a warrior 1 or 2. I don't really know. Ready? You might want to shift back and forth a little bit. Get loose. And then here we go. Try to keep, I don't know, some sort of straightness. Like as you bend, it should all bend the same. It shouldn't go like that, you know? It should go like that. Okay, here we go. Try to keep the back straight, head back, and down. Leaning forward. Is my lower, what's the lower, from the knee to the ankle? That should be like straight up and down. Is it? I can't see. I'm killing it too hard to look. Yep, nailing it. Okay, for 3, 2, 1, and then back up. Shift, shift, left side. Oh, fuck. I'm really starting to hate yoga. And down. Hold it, head back. Oh yeah, breathe. Oh yeah, breathe. Oh yeah, breathe. For 3, 2, 1, and back up. To the right side again. This time, we're gonna lower that knee. And then we're just gonna go back. How should we do this? Go the knee back? Yeah, the knee back. Ready? And then we're just gonna come over and try to touch that one leg. Stretching in here. Dude, we're at fucking 28 minutes. We're almost done. Why are you guys even stressing? Get some stretch in there. Let's stay there for a minute. Let's stay there. Pushing it down. Okay. Other side. Just shift. Up and over, and then bringing this back. And coming in. Stretching in here. We're touching those toes, you guys. We're doing it consistently now. Right? You're gonna work on this all day. If you can work on it all day, you can touch your toes. It's the fucking best sign that you've gotten more nimble. When you can touch your toes. It's like a Homer Simpson fucking workout. You know? In the old days of The Simpsons, you would go, 1, 2. And it's like, ow. Okay. Let's hang down. You know this one, right? All we're doing is hanging down. Everything hanging down. If you can, bring your fucking head in this way. Can you touch your toes? Tell you what, let's try it halfway. Let's try it halfway. I want you to bend your knees, touch your toes, and then try to straighten your knees. No joke here. It's so you can see how much further you have. Because all you have to do is go from wherever you are here to locked, and then you got it. So let's see how much further you really have. Touch your toes, step on them, whatever, and then start to like bring them back. Not that much, right? Not that much. I mean, that really. Okay. Oh, fuck. Hands behind you. Backwards. All we're doing is bending over, pushing this out. We're going to stretch in here. Ready? And go. Lock your knees. Lock your knees. Make a muscle out of here. And down. So we're stretching the fucking touch your toes muscle at the back of your knee. And we're also stretching out your shoulders. No bueno. 3, 2, 1, and fuck it. Guys, have you tried this new miracle product, Rogaine? It works wonders. Why, people in my life couldn't tell I was ever bald. Thank you, Rogaine. I've been using this for fucking 10 years. Thank you, Rogaine, for keeping everything up here full as you can be. Fucking thousands of dollars. I want my money back. And I know what they're going to say. Like, well, it would have been worse. Fuck, that's like Democrats and Republicans talking about the economy. It's like, well, if they hadn't done that, it'd be worse. Well, if we hadn't done that, it'd be better. It's like, fucking shut up. What's the actual stats? The actual stats is a fucking permanent yarmulke in my goddamn skull. Yeah, I just had a move I was going to do. I know what it was. Oh, it's the ankles both ways, left and right. Oh. Okay, guys. Hands down. No, we're fucking strong enough. Nah, we'll do it as long as we're here. Let's get a nice stretch and then we'll do something tough. Okay, head to the right. Oh, no. So head to the left, feet to the right. Stretch against it. You can just do this and lay that. But really try to stretch. Get that fucking back up and over to the right. If you need to step this way to give yourself some more. Oh, yeah, that's even better. Oh, good back stretch. For 3, 2, 1, and back. Other side. And over for this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hold it. And we're good. All right, guys. On your stomachs. Actually, let's do a downward facing dog again. Guys, we're almost there, so we're going to go hard today. We're going all the way to 40. Left, right, left, right. Let's do a very slow. Smell them titties. Be the teenagers fucking the mattress. And then up. Don't ever fucking put your knees in the ground. Back. And again, smell them titties. Skull fuck this bitch. And then, oh yeah, my knees went down. Okay. Either way, go all the way to the ground. Can I do a legit push-up? Let's try to do 3 push-ups right now after that. Can we do it, but a legit one, where it's all, get your knees off the ground, only your dick and your chest are touching. Let's do it with me. Ready? Just 3 push-ups. And here we go. 1. That looks good. 2. That looks good again. 3. Hell yes. Okay. Feet up. Grab your feet with the right. Grab your foot with the left. You're going to push your foot out, and then you're going to go up into some weird, like, dreidel situation. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. You're resting your dick. Oh, I should have told you, move your head of your dick away, because it pinches. It pinches bad. 3, 2, 1, and down. Hands down on the mat, underneath you. We're lifting the left leg first. Ready? Straight out, straight out. Put it out like you're pushing it towards that back wall, towards that direction. And out. And up, I mean. So backwards away from the head and up. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1. Fuck it. Slowly down. Right leg. Same shit. There we go. Out towards the back wall and up. For 3, 2, 1, and fuck it. Catch your breath. Fuck, we're going both legs. Here we go. I'm telling you, I legit saw yoga. I'm distracted. Imagine me. He was like up, like that, just on here. Oh, I know one more move we can do. We haven't done forever. Oh, and the hands behind the back. I'm going to do this. All right, ready? Both legs. Base off on the fucking hands. Use your hand. Oh no, get your hands underneath you. That's right. This always hurt my ow. It's always hurt my elbows. But try it. 1, 2, 3, and push up. 3, 2, 1. Fuck it. Oh shit, I just fucking forgot that moves. Which one was it? I don't know. Anyway, let's try this while we're waiting for me to remember what the fuck I was supposed to do. It's like I had it and then it was gone. Again, I'm not high. You know what I should be doing though? Fucking drinking. I even drank during the fucking yoga. Too long. Yeah. What's up? Thank you, Mary Jane. Chocolate malt bourbon whiskey. Ugh. Pot distilled in Brooklyn. I bought it because I thought pot distilled meant it came with marijuana. It's not. Batch 2, bottle 207. Aged 14 years. 14, that means I was 11 when this was built. Okay. Let's try to touch. Can we do this? I'm way better with this hand, so let's start with the other one. The one I'm bad at. Right hand behind you. Left hand up and over. And try to grab on. By the way, I could never do this before. I just tried this in the fucking schwitz yesterday. Ow. It helps if you get their upper hand back. And I could fucking do it. It was amazing. I could always only go like that. But I can like legit do it now because of this yoga class, I think. Ow. Switch. This way. Now this one I'm real good at. Ow. What was the one I was going to do on the ground? Why can't I remember that? Keep holding it. Stretching that shit out. What the fuck one was that I was going to do on the ground? It was like, I had the hands here. Wait, it's almost there. It's almost fucking there. It's right there. It's right there. Maybe alcohol will help me remember. This is brought to you by Widow Jane, chocolate malt bourbon whiskey. It's pot distilled in Brooklyn. I thought that meant it had pot in it. Enjoy one free tour at Widow Jane. What? Info at widowjane.com. Well, there's no tours now. Wait, I had that one. Hands down. Oh, I just fucking had it and I was trying to make a stupid joke. Hands down. Let me get back to where I remembered it. I did this, right? Easy. And then I was doing that. Which fucking one did I forget? Ari, you fucking suck, dude. Wait. While we're waiting, let's do one of these. Hands behind you. So you're stretching your back. I should be doing this, but stretching your back. Which one was it? Fucking fuck, I had it. What the fuck was it? It was this? It wasn't this though. It was something on the ground. Guys, I'm embarrassed now that I can't fucking think of this and I'm taking this much time to fucking come up with the goddamn solution to this problem is. Wasn't that. It wasn't on my feet, on my back. Went left and right with the fucking legs. Gone. It's gone. Learn when you've lost. It's one important thing I've learned in life. Over and over and over again. Admit defeat. All right. Fuck yourself. Stretching out to the right. Pull it in as hard as you can. Well, you know what I haven't done in a while? We haven't done foot dick. Let's do foot dick right after this. It's going to be a hard class today, guys, but we're at 28. We're almost there. Ow. On my Patreon, I'll talk about Cave Lodge. I'm starting a whole series on my Patreon where I'm like, only fucking 800 people are seeing this. Where I'm going to talk about a place, show a picture of a place, and tell a long story about that place. But only Patreon, because I don't like the words getting out to that many people. You ruin a place that way. Oh. That's it. Reach over. Okay. Foot dick. One of the old favorites. What the fuck exercise was that going to be? I really have no idea. Foot dick. Feet down. And then just lean forward. Try to get the chest Ooh, we're stretching the back now. Just into the mat. If you want to go forward, you can. Whatever you can do. Hold it there. Whatever. This. But really just stretch forward and chest fucking down. I gotta smoke some weed. I'm almost out of regular marijuana. When that happens, I don't know. You're not supposed to smoke the vape, right? It's bad for you during all this time. Just edibles first. I still got plenty of that left. Ow. I mean, you can see it bugging the shit out of me that I can't remember. Okay. You guys ready to touch your toes? Let's do this. Bring these toes in for a while first. Gonna warm that up. Let's warm this up. Left hand straight out. Right elbow. Bring it in and look to the left. As you do that, bring your toes in. Other way. Elbow in. That elbow out. You don't want to look this way. You want to look that way. That's it. You ready? Time for the toe touch. Stretch out our back. And here we go. We're doing this. We are doing this. Little by little. Little by little. Go to your max position. Maybe it's there. You're going to find where you can stretch. For me, just there, it was the top of my back. I had more room. So now I can go further down. Pull another step. Keep your legs fucking straight. Keep your knees straight. Don't bend them. Keep them straight. And now, just keep it there for like 10 seconds. Then we're going to find a little more space. Ooh, my lower back. I have room there. Ooh. Yep, keep it. Keep it. Guys, I think I'm going for it again. Which I go, left hand or right hand? I don't know, but I'm starting to lose my grasp. It's starting to fall backwards. Make a lunge. Make a lunge again. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys, I'm getting it with ease now. As long as we do it slowly like that, I can fucking get it. Oh, my God, I'm touching my fucking underneath my foot. Oh, I'm going to my feet. I'm going to try to my feet. Oh, very slowly. Down. I'm touching the floor. Oh, no, just one hand. I'm touching the floor. Two hands touching the floor. Wow. And my toes. This is what Jordan felt like after he fucking beat the Utah Jazz. One back stretch for the back. And then we're done. What a great day this was. What a great fucking day at yoga we just had. Okay. Hands behind you on your lower back. Fingers touching your butt. Fingers at the place where if like somebody would claim molestation, they'd have a case. You could be like, I didn't know. My hand kind of slipped a little bit. But if they just freeze framed on there, it'd be like, I mean, we at least have to discuss it. You know, if you were in college, you'd be like, we might have to throw you out. If your hand was here and so you touched my butt, you'd be like, no, I didn't. Look at the tape. But here, you'd be like, no, I mean, I did. But like, it was unintentional. Okay. Elbows behind you. And just, lean back. Stretch that back. I'll go left a little bit and right a little bit. Oh, that actually feels really good. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels great. Let's do it again. What the fuck was that move I was going to do on the ground? That was really bothersome. Okay. At least I remembered this. I was trying to remember that for so fucking long. Okay. Guys. We're done. We are done. You have fucking shot glasses over there, man. I guess that's for scotch. All right. I got an idea today. Would you guys buy a t-shirt if I made it stretching not popping? My thought was make it those words and whatever the cursive with the Maryland flag behind it. The best flag in the history of flags. Any state flag. Texas, sure, you're close. You rep your flag well, but there's not much to it. Maryland reps their flag more than Texas. And it's cooler. Look at this shit, man. I want a onesie for skiing like with this, but who knows? My friend Bert asked another guy he knows to make it on a podcast, but that podcast will never be released. So the guy probably didn't find out. Okay. Let's do our thanks. Kind Can I go up on this? I mean, are we at the point now where I can really try to like do that thing where you like wind it through? Come on, Ari. We're fucking done, right? How would you do that? How would you get it through? I mean, it sounds like I'm almost there. I need that, but that doesn't seem like it would go. Because this ankle's a bone. So how would you get that up and in? That's not possible. My friend John Higgins was on the cover of fucking Men's Workout Weekly. He runs a popular podcast called The John Higgins Experience. And he fucking knows how to do it. Anyway, let's go. Let's give our thanks. What are we thankful for? Day 28. What do we got to be thankful for? Let me think. You guys think too. Oh, well, we did a tough, nice, long one. That's good. But I need to be thankful for something legit. A real thing. I know what I'm thankful for. That no matter what happens, negative in my life or positive, I have somehow, I guess this is a big one. I had shakshuka a couple days ago as my thanks. This is a major one. I have managed, for better or for worse, for 20 years to be a professional stand-up comic. And I've made a living for myself for the last, let's say, 13 years of that, 14 years of that. Professional comic, where all my money is just coming in creative endeavors. I mean, that's huge. I couldn't have imagined doing that. I couldn't imagine running a yoga class in a ridiculous fucking fun fashion where I'm actually teaching people yoga, making people actually work out, but really going for laughs too. Equal parts. Probably 75% yoga, 25% laughs. Oh, but in a fucking world where there's no laughs ever. So I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful that no matter what gets taken away from me, I'm still a fucking working comic. It's all great. I've lived this dream of a life for so long, for decades. I mean, I got to the Comedy Store. I met Duncan Trussell. Make sure to watch his show, Duncan Trussell. Oh no, I'm sorry, Midnight Gospel on Netflix. But I met him. He was working the phones. He was like, just apply a bunch, man. Just keep applying. That's what I did, and I got the job. And I was like, okay. He was my first friend I made in LA in 1999. Like April of 1999, somewhere around there, right around now. Started officially in May doing comedy. It's the official date. I don't know about unofficial. And since then, I've been able to like be like a full-time comic, even though I was doing other jobs for a while, but man, it's great. Just being like creative and free. I remember those early days with Duncan, just fucking running around. And I mean, we were like young in LA and it was amazing. We were like, we're doing something. It was so cool. And 21 years later, I mean, I'm still fucking doing it. So that's what I'm thankful for today. You guys pick what you're thankful for. And let's do some breaths. 5 breaths in, 5 breaths out. 5 seconds in, 6 seconds out. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Try to keep the back straight. Do one of these, do one of these, do one of these. Sit this way. I'll sit this way this time so you guys can see that it's not fucking that bad. You can do like this. Dude, I fucking stink. I got a shower. But that's what I'm thankful for today. And during this whole time, I'm going to be thankful. I'm going to be thinking and mindful. Is that what mindful is? You'll know in another 2 days if you get to be, if you've done them all, if you get to be enlightened. If I'm going to be thankful and mindful, I'm going to keep my mind on that fucking thing I'm thankful for. So here we go. Remember when you had to cough like 40 times when you drank whiskey? Well, I don't know if it was when you were young or because you weren't drinking Widow Jane chocolate malt bourbon whiskey. Pot distilled in Brooklyn. Oh, I thought it meant with weed, but it's not. That was my birthday present. A fucking tour at that place. They're not actually a sponsor. And they're definitely not a sponsor. Let's be thankful. Here we go. "21 years. Fucking shit, man. Okay, last one coming up. We're gonna breathe all the way out. Slowly. The first half breath is the best because you might go halfway. You might just go, but you don't want to do that. You want to slowly breathe it in as long as you can. Be thankful about that thing you're thankful for. Be thankful. Fucking idiot. Here we go. And all the way in, fill your lungs fill up with fucking good thankness. By the way, go to Steve Simone's Instagram page. That's his sticker. He does 5 things to be thankful for every day. Steve Simone Comedy. Okay, Simeone, Simeone. Last one, ready? Here we go. Longest, slowest breath in, full of thanks. Breathe all the fucking garbage out because you're just full of thanks and you got no room for anything else. Here we go. Let your eyes flutter open. And you did it. You fucking did it. Day 28. Day 28. Guys, I mean, I'll do this at day 29, but stop and think about where you were 28 days ago and if you thought you could fucking make it through. 28 classes ago, excuse me. If you thought you could make it through this, I doubt you did, right? You thought, I'll do it once or twice. Think about that for the people who have done it. We'll talk about this more again tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, that is fucking class. Thank you for joining in to Yoga with Ari. I'm your yogi, Ari. I'm here every fucking day for 2 more days, then I'm going to kill myself. And that's it. Namaste. Oh shit, I was fucking scratching my balls the whole way. It's tough to be enlightened when you're fucking scratching your dick hole. I gotta take a shower. Regardless, namaste. Oh, it shouldn't do that, right? At the end of yoga, shouldn't you feel refreshed and not in massive amounts of pain? Anyway, go home. I'm done. Goodbye. Ow.